Wagwan, everyone.
Yes, this evening I'm making some coconut drops. And can you see it? I cut up my own coconut and I put molasses, sugar,
From Jamaica.
yes. I
Everyone.
grate my ginger and put my sugar, season it with a little vanilla and everything when I'm making my drops. So look at my coconut drops. So what I want you to do, like it, share, subscribe,
Comment down below.
Tell a friend.
Come on.
Tell a friend to tell a friend. This is the way Auntie Claire do his coconut drops.
Yep, that's how she does
Just
it.
like the real one from yard. You know?
And then after this, you're gonna let it sit.
I'm gonna take them out and put them to sit.
Like straight from that?
Yes, and put them in here. Yes. And then you're gonna see it. So like, share, tell a friend to tell a friend, and I can make the gizzarda too. So tell a friend to tell a friend. This is the way Auntie Claire does.
And we'll be back with the results when it's done.
When it's done. Love, like, share, follow me. Share.
Follow me.
Subscribe.
Yeah, man. All right.